Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about various abandoned cars, trucks, monster trucks, airplanes, dump trucks, etc. So now let's check with me. Hero Captain America, Express bus, yellow color, cute bus, pink color, cement mixer truck, cute leather truck, airplane, cute airplane. This one is a mini airplane, mini cute airplane. Super motorbike, Hero Captain America, broken helicopter, super motorbike, red color, excavator, mini excavator, dump truck, bigger dump truck, monster truck, petroleum truck, bulldozer, mini bulldozer. How about this? Racing car number 9. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.